Hi guys, in this lesson we'll be solving basic Venn diagram questions. So let's begin with the first one. So you are told that P is the element of A intersection B. Q is an element of A union B complement and R is the element of A intersection B complement. Let's find R first. In intersection, what did I teach you in shading? First, it's written A. So A के parts में letters लिख दो. Then it's B complement. In B complement, write numbers. What's the area which have number and letters both? This one. So this is the area of R. Erase the rest. Do you get this? So my R will come here. Then P was A intersection B. I know that A intersection B is this area. For Q, it's written A union B complement. A union B complement means entire A and B के बाहर. So it's going to come here. Got this? Before solving next question, let me recap disjoint set and subset with you. So what's the diagram of a subset? If set A is made entirely from set B, so the diagram of subset will look like this. That set A is made from set B. Do you get this? And for disjoint set, I told you that there is no intersection between set A and B, which means A intersection B is a null set. It can be written like this or empty curly brackets. Got this? So let's start with question 2. It says Q is the subset of P. Okay. And P intersection R is a null set. So क्योंकि Q is a subset of P, that means Q will lie inside. And there is no intersection between P and R, which means R will be separate because P and R is a disjoint set. Can you connect, guys? Now let's do one more question. It says use set notation to complete the statement about C and D. You can clearly see that C is the subset of D. Do you get till this point? Now, next question. It says universal set is from 1 till 10. Set F is a factor of 24. That means all those tables in which 24 comes. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. You can't go further than 8 because universal set is from 1 till 10. What's set S? It says it's a square number. So what's 1 ka square? It's 1. 2 ka square is 4. 3 ka square is 9. Now you need to fill this entire data into a Venn diagram. So what's common between F and S? 1 and 4, which is intersection. Do you get this? What are the elements that are left in set F? So it's going to be बच्चे आपका 2, 3, 6 and 8. What are the numbers left in set S? It's going to be बच्चे आपका 9. Do you get till this point? Now, if you compare from universal set, what elements are missing? 5, 7 and 10. You are supposed to write n of F union S complement, which means all the area other than F and S. So how many elements are here? 5, 7 and 10. That means 3. So my answer will be 3. Got this, guys? Now the next question. It says P is a prime number and F is a multiple of 4 and S is a multiple of 6. The Venn diagram shows the universal set and the set F. Draw and label two sets P and S to complete the Venn diagram. Okay जी. F क्या है? मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. प्राइम नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं गाइस जो अपने टेबल में आते हैं एंड वन के टेबल में आते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स P कभी भी F एंड S के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज सेट F क्या है? मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. Those numbers which come in 4 table, 1 table and its own table. And S is a multiple of 6. Those numbers which come in its 1 table, own table and 6 table. And prime number सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आते हैं एंड अपने टेबल में आते हैं. तो प्राइम बच्चे कभी भी F के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर सकता. उसको आपने अलग बना देना. Now let's talk about set S. सेट F एंड S में कुछ एलिमेंट्स कॉमन होते हैं, कुछ नहीं होते. जैसे 24 comes in both the table, 36 comes in both the table, और 28 दोनों टेबल में नहीं आता. So that means there is a chance of intersection between F and S. Do you get this, guys? Let's proceed to next question. It says write down all elements of A union B. A union B means entire A and entire B. So let's write down all elements present in A and B. So it's going to be P, Q, R, S, T, and U. B complement intersection C is part B. First of all, identify that area. And how are you going to do that? Recall the shading approach. B complement लिखा है तो write down letters in all the areas of B complement. Then it says intersection C. In C बच्चे write down numbers. What's the area where there are numbers and letters? This one. You're going to erase all of the extra thing. So this black one is the region where it's B complement intersection C. I'm going to shade this. Now, what are the elements present in it? It's going to be S and U. Got this? Let's practice other question. It says in a survey, 60 students are asked which of the subjects biology, history and Spanish they are studying. When diagram shows the result, 27 students study history. तो history के add up to कितने होने चाहिए? 27. Let's add. 3 plus 2 plus 16 plus P is equal to 27. Got this? So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 16 is what? 21. So 21 plus P is equal to what, guys? 27. So my value of P will be, bache, 27 minus 21. That's what? 6. Got this? In the next part, I need to find Q. So guys, if I add the entire Venn diagram, 15 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, right, plus 9 plus P, that was 6, P was 6, plus 16 plus Q. If I add all of these, in the question there were how many people? 60. So 15 plus 5 and plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. 40 plus 16 is what? 56 plus Q is equal to 60. So what's Q, bache? 60 minus 56. And that would be 4. Do you get this, guys? So now I found out the value of P and Q. Part A. Then it says all the elements that are not part of H. We need to write those. So this is not part of H. This is not part of age. This is not part of age. This is not part of age. They all are age complement. So let's add these guys. It's going to be 15 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. That makes what? 33. Do you all get till this point? Then it says B union age intersection S complement. Now this is bit challenging part. Recall shading का concept. बी यूनियन एज के अंदर आप लेटर्स लिख दो, राइट। एस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आप नंबर्स लिख दो, एस के अलावा हर जगह। गाइस कहाँ पे नंबर एंड लेटर दोनों आ रहे बच्चे? इन दिस रीजन। डू यू गेट टिल दिस पॉइंट गाइस? एंड रेस्ट इट इज। यहाँ तक बात समझ आ गई गाइस? So my answer will lie in this region. So let's add बच्चे। 15 plus 3 makes what? 18. 18 plus 16 makes what? 34. Got this, guys? Let's move to next question. It says A union B is equal to B. So let's suppose if my A was here. So now if it's A union B, I'm going to shade A and then I'm going to shade B. So what's my entire answer? Is it B? Yes, sir. ठीक है. And it says A intersection B is not equal to B. Let's prove that. इंटरसेक्शन में पहले ए लिखा है, उसके अंदर आपने क्या लिख दिया? लेटर। देन लिखा है बी, बी के अंदर आपने क्या लिख दिया? नंबर्स। कहाँ पे नंबर एंड लेटर दोनों आ रहे? यहाँ। तो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी का आंसर इज ए है। इट्स नॉट इक्वल टू बी। डिड यू गेट दिस? द आंसर ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज व्हाट? इट्स ए। इज दिस क्लियर बच्चों? Now comes A intersection C is a null set. That means it's a disjoint set. Do you get this? But B intersection C is not a null set. That means B and C has something common. So can you draw C like this? That A and C is a null set. There is nothing common. But there is something common between B and C because it's not a null set. Got this? Next question. It says find the value of Q union R. So let's list down all the elements in Q and R. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will I get the marks? No. Because the question says write n number of elements. The n of Q union R will be बच्चे आपका 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got this? Then it says P complement intersection Q union R. शेडिंग वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लाओ। P complement में आप क्या लिख दोगे बच्चे? लेटर्स। इंटरसेक्शन के बाद क्या लिखा है? Q यूनियन R। Q यूनियन R में बच्चे आप क्या लिख दोगे? नंबर्स। कहाँ पे नंबर एंड लेटर दोनों आ रहे गाइस? दिस पार्ट। Do you get till this point? You're going to erase the rest. Okay, now let me shade it with other thing. So this is my answer, right? You need to write down the elements. The elements इसके क्या हो जाएंगे मेरा बच्चा? 5, 6, 9, 7 and 8. Got this? Then it says one element is chosen from universal set. Write down the probability that this element belongs to P intersection Q union P intersection R. Okay. So P intersection Q is this one and union P intersection R is this one. So how many elements are there? 3. And total elements कितने बचे in the question? It's 10. Probability का formula क्या होता है मेरा बच्चा? It's favorable outcome upon total outcome, right? So there are 3 elements that's part of this set notation, 2, 3 and 4. And in total the question has 10 elements. So my probability will be 0.3. Got this? Once I get this one last question and we'll end this lecture. It says find A union B. So in A union B, you list down all the elements of A and B. So 1, 2, 3 is coming in both side, you write ones. 4 is coming in both, 5 is coming in both, then 6 and 7. So guys, n of A union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you get till this point? One last part. It says P is element of X intersection Y intersection Z. That means common element in both. This is P. Then it says Q is what? X complement intersection Y complement intersection Z complement. That means outside of all. Last one that's challenging. For that, we call shading concept. It says X union Y complement. So everything apart from X and Y write letters. Then it says intersection Z. Z के अंदर आप क्या लिख दोगे बच्चे नंबर. कहाँ पे नंबर एंड लेटर दोनों आ रहा है? This part, right? You're going to erase the rest. Got this? So this is the area. That's what R. At this point, I'm going to end this lecture and I'm going to see you guys in next lesson in which we'll start with word problems. Till then, take care guys. Bye.